Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question doesn't have anything to do with reselling, but I got a lot of you guys asking my opinion on this because I have talked about this in the past. Basically, this comment says, did you see that Jordan Cheyenne has come back to YouTube? What are your thoughts? Her whole video just screamed, me, I'm the victim, feel sorry for me. Okay, so I'll link my other video talking about Jordan Cheyenne. I'm not gonna go into too much detail about how I know her because I talk about all that in my other video. I didn't know that she came back to YouTube until I read that comment. I'm like, what? And then I went and watched her video and I just have many thoughts. I think you're right when you said her video screamed me, me, me. She just kept talking about how, you know, she was traumatized and was receiving death threats. And obviously no one should receive death threats, but she definitely brought it upon herself. When you do crazy shit, that brings out crazy people and they'll say crazy things to you. And she kept saying like, oh, I love YouTube. I've been on YouTube for 7 years and it's so great. I want to come back. I miss it. It's like, of course you miss that. Of course you want to come back. YouTube is like a dream job. It's amazing. It's so much fun. Of course you miss that. You don't want to go out into the real world and get a real job and work a 9 to 5. Like, no, you don't want that. But, oh guys, I'm gonna get heated. Yeah, I just don't think that she should come back to YouTube. I really don't. I think her time is done. She doesn't deserve to be on this platform. I could make a whole list of people that I don't think deserve to be on this platform, but that's just my opinion. I mean, what does that matter? After fucking up like that, which I don't think that one video mistake was the only time she's ever done it. I don't believe for one fucking second that was the only time she's ever done that. That was just the only time she got caught. So yeah, I mean, maybe if it was like a one-time thing, then she could kind of sort of maybe eventually redeem herself. But like I said, it definitely was not a one-time thing. And I don't think she should be welcomed back to YouTube because of that. Like, you can fuck up enough where you just need to move on and do other things. I don't know, she just needs to be gone. She does. But she's back. She's promoting her fucking masterclass Instagram matrix shit. Don't buy those bullshit classes. Like, oh, I'm the masterclass. It's an Instagram matrix. I'm going to teach you all the secrets of Instagram. It's like, no, you can Google all of that shit for free. Okay. I don't want to talk too much about her because that's not what this video is about, but I did want to address that question because a lot of you guys contacted me. I just think she should be gone. Just go do your own thing. Take care of that little boy. Keep him off the internet. Another thing. Oh, guys, I could seriously make a whole video about this. But she was like, you know, it makes me sad to take him off YouTube. It's like, because you know all the views you're not going to get now. It's like, it's not sad. It's guys, I don't know. I don't think she's a genuine person. She used to be. Back in the day, 100%, she used to be genuine. But then she blew up, the fame went to her head, and she's just all about money and views and exploiting her son. And now that she got caught, she's like, fuck, what am I gonna do now? I can't get a real job. I don't like her anymore. I really don't. She showed her true colors. Her true colors have been hiding for years. I know they have. That's her true color, like a disgusting shit brown. Next question. There are a couple new reseller websites I'm wondering if you've heard anything about. Resale and whatnot. Okay, so Resale, I got a message from the Posh Kings saying to go check it out. I kind of briefly did. I think it's like reseller mystery boxes? Is it? Like curated boxes, some shit. I don't know. I haven't looked much into it. And then Whatnot, I think is like an auction website. You can do like live auctions, I think. I honestly haven't looked into them. I'm just so busy. I can't join another platform. I really can't. I'm on Poshmark, Mercari. Got stuff on eBay now. Life is just crazy. I'm back to coaching basketball. That takes up a lot of time. So yeah, I just don't have any free time to devote to like learning a new platform. I don't know. If any of you guys have tried those websites out, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Okay, hi Vanessa, your videos are my favorite. I always look forward to them. I wish you would upload every day. You're sweet. I have 2 questions. What is your least favorite part about reselling and where do you see yourself in 10 years? Oh boy. Okay, my least favorite part about reselling. I love reselling as a whole. If there was one thing about it that I don't like is the question you asked. I don't like photographing. I really don't. I don't enjoy that. I'm hopefully gonna hire an employee this summer to photograph for me because that's just something I just don't enjoy doing. I just want to go shopping and I'll list too, I guess, if I have to, but I don't want to photograph. I don't like photographing. I don't enjoy it. It's not fun. That's my least favorite part. And then what was your other question? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? In 10 years? Holy shit. What the fuck? Wait. Are we almost 50 in 10 years? Holy shit. No, wait, hold on. Hold on. That can't be a thing. I mean, I'll be closer to 50. You guys, in 10 years. No, I'm not gonna be 50 in 10 years. In 10 years, I will be 47. But that's close to 50. But holy shit. Wow. I don't know. I'm just tripped up that I maybe. Do you mean like reselling wise or like in life in general? Oh my gosh. Nolan will be 11. Abilene will be 13. Sorella will be 15. Emmeline will be 16, almost 17. And Brady. Oh my god. Brady will be 27. It'd be cool if we had one more baby. You guys, whenever I say that to someone, they're like, you're fucking crazy. Like, you're crazy. 6 kids? Like, that would be crazy. It's like, I mean, 5, like, what's one more? Going from 4 to 5 wasn't crazy, so I don't think going from 5 to 6 will be crazy. But yeah, anyway. In 10 years, I would love to still be reselling. I would love to still be on YouTube. I'm just tripped up on the thought of being almost 50. All right, I can't think about this. I gotta go. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.